Manscaped fully charged but not working frequently. Asked questions: why is my Manscaped fully charged but not working? The device may have a faulty battery or internal connection issue blocking power flow. How can I reset my Manscaped trimmer if unresponsive? Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to reset the device. Could a dirty blade cause Manscaped not to start? Yes. Cleaning blades and removing hair buildup often restores proper function. Does Manscaped need a specific charger to work properly? Using the original charger ensures correct voltage and charging. Others may cause issues. When should I contact Manscaped support for a non-working trimmer? Reach out if troubleshooting steps fail or device still won't turn on after charging. Conclusion: troubleshooting your Manscaped device takes patience and care. Check the charger and cable for any damage. Clean the charging contacts gently to ensure good connection. Restart the device after charging fully. Small fixes often solve the problem quickly. Keep your device dry and store it properly. Regular maintenance helps avoid future issues. Your Manscaped can work well again with simple steps. Stay calm and try these tips before seeking help.